Michelle here with Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to give you my top 20 things to do inside when you're bored if you're a kid and you're not supposed to be on your screens. This video is dedicated to my multimedia students at Marble Falls Middle School. Shout out to all of y'all. Please leave me a comment below. And let's go ahead and get started. Now these are in no particular order. So the first one I have is play a board game like Monopoly or Risk or Taboo. Number 2, paint a picture. You probably have an old watercolor set at home someplace. Paint a picture. Number 3, build a model.
Or you'd build one like this that I built.
Number 4, build something with your Legos. Number 5, make a craft. You can find lots of good ones on this channel. Number 6, read a good book. And I'm going to recommend the Artemis Fowl series for my middle schoolers. Number 7, record a video just for fun. Number 8, rearrange your room. I actually did this earlier today for my mother. Number 9, write a letter or even a story and send it like to your grandmother or to some relative. Number 10, build a fort. Number 11, cook something yummy or bake something. Dance. Play with the dog. Number 13, have a Nerf or snowball fight. Ow! Number 14, practice for a play or a song or some kind of performance that you can do for your family. Number 15, learn a magic trick. Number 16, play solitaire with actual cards instead of a phone. Number 17, work out. Do some of those push-ups, do some of those sit-ups, or, strike a yoga pose.
20, 21, 22, 23.
I've got dog slobber in my eye.
Move. Here, are you stuck?
Move. Here.
Doing dog sit-ups there?
Number 18, try out a new look. New hair, new makeup, new clothes. Number 19, and this one is for not the younger kids. Use a pocket knife and whittle a stick. Number 20, my favorite, take a nap. Thank you so much for watching my top 20 kid things to do that are inside without screens. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if I have ever taught you, if I've ever been your teacher, please give me a comment below and let me know what I've taught you or what I am teaching you. And have a great day doing all these fun things.